How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Intech Media Alternative. So now I have installed all my apps. As you guys can see here, everything that I kind of use. It probably gonna be more than that. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I do to tweak my Windows a bit. I don't really do too much of fucking crazy tweaks and all the other shit. It's Windows 10 already as it is. It's a perfect system in my opinion, so you don't really need to do too much tweaking to make it perfect. Anyway, the first thing that I do, I go personalize here, and I go to the, is it here? Yeah, colors, yeah. I change the color of my background to like something grayish. Do that, and then what I do, I go start, I go file explorer, I go this PC, and I go properties, right? What I do here is I go advanced system settings, right? And then I go system protection. I make sure that I turn on the system protection for system restore point. Yeah, some people say, "Oh, it's not good. It's not that. It's not this." It's good. It's good to have a peace of mind. So I usually have 10 GB of my partition just for this, and I click apply. It's only for my system drive, right? I definitely disable remote assistance. I don't want that to happen. I don't want anyone to have access to my computer. I go performance here, right? And I don't let Windows decide what's the best for my computer. I decide for best appearance, right? So that's it. That's what I do here. I view hardware as it is. Nothing to do here. The second thing I do, I go file history. File storage. Right, I click on storage part, and then what I do is well, not storage, sorry. I go on the backup. Well, and what I do is I go on file history, and I add a drive, right? So this is the drive that I want to back up, right? Automatically back up my files, and I go on my options, right? And then I set it to back up every 10 minutes, and it's gonna keep my stuff forever. This is all it's going to back up, so I don't have to worry about anything that's on this C drive. It's all going to be backed up. So that's one of the things that I do, like the first three things that I do. The second thing, I go to software. It's called Ultimate Windows Tweaker. Okay, so with this software, I recommend that you guys create a restore point before anything of this, right? I'm not responsible for any damage that you do to your computer, just to clear it up, right? So as you can see, I kind of don't like to use these softwares, but it's for what I need it for. It does the job, right? Okay, so you can customize different things here, you can remove different things, you can add different things, but I'm not going to do any of that, right? So I'm going to go on performance, right? And I'm going to set this to waiting time to end service. I'm going to put this on just around 2000, right? If I can make it, yeah, whatever, 2000, right? Okay, waiting for time to kill no responding app. I want to make sure that I put that just rough around here, so it's all even, right? Do that, right? The next thing that I do, I disable automatic Windows automatic folder view discovery. I disable that, right? Or automatically end no responding softwares. I disable tablet input service. I don't need it. I disable disable printer spoiling service. I don't need it as well. So I click apply. I have to reset my computer after this, but anyway. So the main purpose I use this is because of security privacy, right? Once you click on the security privacy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on privacy, and I'm going to disable every single one of these, right? You have to do this to Windows 10 simply because Microsoft has made it so it spies on us, and everything we do is spies on us. Like big time, you know, so we don't want that to happen, alright? We want to make sure that we fuck them up the best way we can, so they don't see much of what we do, you know. We can never be fully protected, but we can take caution, right? So we're gonna apply this, boom, this is applied, and we're gonna close this, right? Do you wanna restart? I don't wanna restart just yet, I will restart later on, right? So once that's completed, I'm going to, this software is called Destroy Windows Spying, right? So when I click on my start menu, we can see all these different things here. All these fucking apps that come pre-installed with Windows. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna make sure that we do this. Once we do this, we're gonna get rid of all this shit here, you know. So okay, so we're gonna enable professional mode, right? We're gonna disable all this. This is all that's going to be removed, right, from the system. So we're gonna click on here. We're gonna click Destroy Windows Spying. I'm gonna wait for this to be completely removed. It's gonna create a restore point. I highly recommend you guys have the restore point created because it's very important. So if something like this fucks up, you have the restore point, you can just go back. You can go back, you can like restore everything back to normal, see a lot of job done, you know. So that's what we're going to be doing right now, creating that. As we can see here, it adds different IP addresses to your firewall, which ones to block, you know. Like there's so much here, and it's crazy. Like the Microsoft went to so much length, you know, to destroy privacy of users. It is just ridiculous. Like I remember, like in Windows XP and Windows 7, you don't really have to do any of this shit. And in Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 10, you kind of had to start like disabling certain things and this and that, you know, because Microsoft is being a fucking idiot, you know, and you know, working with NSA and God knows who else, with the government, you know, and it's just ridiculous that we can't trust the corporation that has been in the business for such a long time. It is crazy. But anyway, this is it, guys. This is what I do, and I'll show you guys what happens once this is finished. However, keep in mind that this will not be able to remove every single app of your of Windows, of start menu. So you can't have to go manually remove each of them manually, but that's not really a big deal. I don't really do that. And this is about it. This is about it with my tweaking. I don't really do much. That's it. Like, you know, there's not really need to do anything extra. And you can disable different services if you really want. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is what I do. I'm gonna reset my computer now, and this is it for this video. So I will put the links down below for everything that you guys seen in this video, all the software that I use and all the things that I do, and make sure you guys check them out. But anyway, and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe for more. Thank you very much.